Warning for Galveston County in southeastern Texas, Chambers County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 2:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:19 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Devers to near Alvin, moving east-southeast at around 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
It's raining pretty bad outside.
Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
It's winding pretty bad outside.
Locations impacted include League City, Galveston Causeway, Galveston Island West End, Texas City, southwestern Friendswood.
What?
Brook, Hitchcock, Galveston Pier 21, Nassau Bay, Hunalik, Bayou Vista, Clear Lake Shores, Jamaica Beach, and Tiki Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. At 1:02 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar